Here's a really cool website that you can use to make your social media profile stand out. So you're going to want to come to this website right here, pfpmaker.com. And this is how the website looks. Now all you got to do is click on Start Now. And then you're just going to upload a photo from your computer. And then you're just going to choose a picture you want to use. So I'll choose this one with my Kool-Aid smile. And then it's going to start generating your profile picture and remove the background. Alrighty, so this is what it generated, and there's a bunch of different backgrounds, but I can also adjust the background color. So to do that, all you have to do is click on this little water drop right here, and you can change the color of the background. You can choose different gradients or have solid colors as the background, or you can just play around with the slider and choose a color that you like. And you can even add a shadow to your profile picture to give it a little bit more depth. Now if I wanted to download any of these pictures, all I have to do is click on this arrow right here, and it downloaded the picture. Now I actually learned this from a program showing you how to use different tools to manage and grow your business, but also showing people how they can start earning online using digital marketing. So this program actually walks people through step by step how to get their business set up, how to build a sales funnel, and how to learn digital marketing. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to start earning online, then this is the program for you. Now if you want to use this program to start earning online, make sure to follow me and also leave a comment.